In today's video, I want to show you guys how to overlay one video over another in CapCut. It's very simple, okay? So first, what we have to do, we have to import a couple of videos so we can start actually processing this overlay. Okay, so first of all, this video wants to go down inside our working area. Okay, now if we want to add another one, it's just simply hit the plus button and you can see that one was just assigned to the other one. It's just next to each other, but we don't want that, because for the overlay we want to move that one here on the top of the first one. Okay, so here we go. So this is our video. Okay, we can make it shorter. Okay, and we can align them both. Right, here we go. And now once we start playing them, okay, you see that the top video is visible, however the bottom one is not. So what we can do here, okay, is very simple. Okay, you see here those corners. I'm gonna make this video smaller. Okay, so the top video will be visible now, in form of form of the smaller screen. Okay, and the bottom video will be visible as a whole. Okay, we can also use this transform here on the right hand side, and we can scale it. Okay, we can make this video, the top video bigger or smaller. Okay, and now when we start playing it, okay, so let's go start from the beginning. Okay, you see that the top video is alongside with the bottom video, they are both visible. Okay, that's how you guys overlay one video over another in CapCut. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, leave it down below. If you subscribe to my channel, we much appreciate. Thank you very much.